Happy hump day, happy hump day, happy hump day. I hope that you guys are having a successful day. Real quick, I just want to get on here and let you know that tonight I'm having a free masterclass. I'm teaching you guys how to set up your LLC. And if you already have an LLC, I want to show you how to structure it properly so you can go ahead and get the funds that you need to operate your business. You no longer have to use your personal credit or your personal funds to run your business. This is a free Boost Your Credit, Get Your LLC Masterclass this Wednesday at 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I want to help you get the things that you want and deserve from your business, right? So what you need to do, you need to sign up. You need to click the link in the description and you need to sign up for my Zoom link. I will send you the Zoom link. If you're on TikTok or Instagram, just DM me the word Zoom and I'll send you the link every Wednesday, 8 p.m. See you then.